Welcome everyone. Good evening to everyone. Welcome to Global Success Enterprise, a community of Asia Pacific Galaxy Organization, FTC online sharing program. Today our main speaker will be head trainer of Global Success Enterprise, Coach Brian, sharing a dream to make us all future millionaire with FTC staking. So let's welcome Coach Brian.
Hi, good evening, everybody. My name is Brian, and welcome to again our Global Success Enterprise online FTC session on how to earn with FTC staking. All right. So for friends who are invited by your friends to find out this fantastic opportunity, you are in it for something huge and great for the future. All right. Now, so before we kickstart this sharing session tonight, if you are not a member or you are first time hearing this program, uh, you can after the whole entire session, you can still look for the friends who actually invited you or send you this link to find out exactly what you do and exactly how to kickstart this entire opportunity and how to earn with FTC. So as we begin, I would like to share with everybody the first topic that we are going to talk about today is what is FTC? Everybody is talking about FTC, but what exactly is FTC? All right. So technically, FTC right now is a third generation dual chain structured public financial blockchain. Now, some of you all might have of blockchain technology, like for example, our first ever blockchain called the BTC, Bitcoin. Then, of course, we have Ethereum. And of course, we have the more very popular Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Binance. So all these are actually blockchain, and there's definitely many, many more, like Cardano, and even Solana, all these. So all these are blockchain. So FTC is also a blockchain, but we are working on a dual chain, meaning this blockchain has two chain structure. Okay, so the reason is very simple because currently in the blockchain technology, there's a dilemma, there's a trilemma instead, trilemma. Okay, trying to achieve decentralization and security at the same time with scalability is almost quite impossible at this point of time due to certain restrictions, technological restrictions, hardware, software. So technically what we have done here with FTC is that it has a dual chain where the main chain, all right, achieve decentralization and security, and the parallel chain, which is a fin chain for transaction purposes, actually solve the problem on scalability. All right. So with this, it became an ultra high performance public chain that can bridge the technical gap among traditional finance, crypto finance, and multi-chain interaction. Okay, so this is the target and the reason of this FTC public financial blockchain. All right, so this whole entire blockchain is focusing on just financial services. Okay, and this FTC blockchain will set the standards for next generation cross-border and offshore financial interactions. So why are we actually talking about this right now? Very simple, because this entire blockchain has just started exactly 2 months ago. All right. Although the Fintoch has been around for coming to 2 years, okay, but our blockchain is finally live online right now, okay, since the beginning of June. Okay. So at this point of time, when the blockchain just starts, why do we want to do what we call the LP staking? So when we do LP staking, it's purely for the whole entire FTC ecological system. So what ecosystem does this blockchain have? Okay, so first of all, we have this FinSwap, which is live in July. Okay, FinSwap. So right now in the market, there's actually a few popular swap, like for example, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, or even SumSwap. So FinSwap is another decentralized exchange that's working on FTC public chain. So this FinSwap, the highlight of this FinSwap, right, is that it is a cross-chain decentralized exchange, okay, where you can trade multiple tokens on multiple networks on FinSwap itself. Okay. Next up, we have this FinSol. Fintoch is a next generation GameFi. So with the introduction of blockchain technology, it makes game developers working on blockchain technology able to introduce this play and earn concept. So Fintoch is entirely a gaming platform working on FTC blockchain, all right, that allow people to play and earn with a fast transaction speed on FTC network. FinPay, all right, a decentralized finance payment gateway where we can use crypto and we can bridge crypto finance to traditional finance. We can actually spend crypto using FinPay, all right, at merchants, okay, all around the world. Other than that, we have Finbox, which is a Web 3.0 social media platform. In simple words, it means it's a decentralized social media platform where we can perform all the social media applications and on Finbox. We have FinBill, which is a cross-chain financial bills trading, and last but not least, also the FinX, which is a derivatives exchange. So this is entirely the whole entire FTC ecological systems. But of course, other than our own Fintoch project or Fintoch that will be building all this ecosystem for FTC, technically FTC also incorporates other projects to be part of the whole entire ecosystem working on our blockchain. So technically, when we do staking, all right, it gives us a passive income stream that can outperform traditional investments. Okay, traditional investment, like for example, banking products, maybe like fixed deposits or certain investments, they give you an annualized return, which is relatively quite low. For example, recently I have came across a friend who actually did a fixed deposit in a bank for a year, and his annualized returns is only about 4.2%, right? So today we are not here just to talk about 4.2% annual returns, but we are talking about something more and something faster. So staking of LP tokens provides you with a steady flow of income without any active trading required. Okay, so by staking LP tokens, what happens is that you become a vital participant of the whole entire FTC ecosystems by supporting the liquidity provision and at the same time earning yourself attractive rewards and profits. Okay. So why do we say that by staking you don't need to do any trading? We all do know that forex, stocks and shares, and even cryptocurrency, they are volatile markets. And in order for you to 100% being able to capitalize your profits, you need to be well versed in all these tradings, all right? To be able to know when to buy in, when to exit, you know, and know how to study all the news and the graphs that you are seeing. But by staking alone, you don't have to, right? You will earn a steady flow, a fixed percentage every single day. Yes, you are right. With FTC LP staking, you are able to earn every single day. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the benefits of staking LP. So technically for the benefits of staking LP token, you can see, number one, you are able to get predictable returns, meaning you are able to calculate exactly how much returns are you getting from your investments. Okay, so all the staking contracts provide a clear and predictable returns, okay, based on the contracts that you actually choose. Number two is that you are offered flexibility. You can choose, okay, all your so-called contract period based on your financial goals and investment strategies. Okay, so it's not like as if you have to lock for 1 year or 10 years and stuff like that, but there is flexibility with FTC LP staking. And last but not least, what everybody want is the passive income. Okay, so FTC LP staking offers not one, not two, but triple rewards for your contribution into the building of FTC public chains. You can earn trading fees for people who trade. Every time when people buy or sell FTC's asset, you will be able to get 0.3% transaction fee shared among all the LP holders. Next, you can actually earn staking rewards, which is a passive income, okay, from the staking contracts, which we are going to talk about later on. And last but not least, a platform that gives us referral rewards. By helping the platform, by letting more people benefit from the fantastic blockchain FTC, you are able to get referral rewards. All right, so these are the three benefits that we are going to talk about today. Most importantly is about staking rewards and referral rewards. This will sums up how you can actually earn and the potential of earning with FTC public blockchain. Then first of all, your staking contract option provides you with high ROI potential, and of course each option offer you different percentage returns based on your staking duration. This is very fair. So first of all, we have a 7 days choice. Okay, 7 days choice, you can earn 1% per day, where your LP will only be locked for 7 days. So your LP contribution, if you are not staking it, it can be removed at any point of time. But if you choose to actually do a staking, LP staking, it will be locked for 7 days, and you can earn 1% per day based on your LP contribution value. So this is definitely very ideal for short-term gains and frequent reassessment that offers you quick earnings access without, or I would say with minimum commitment. Okay, all your risk factor is just 7 days. Next, you can choose somewhere in the middle, which is 15 days, which you will get 1.1% per day. Okay, your LP will be locked for 15 days, balances the short term or the medium term staking for slightly higher returns and flexibility. Last but not least, we have is a 30 days contract where you will be gaining 1.2% per day, and your LP will be locked for just 30 days. A longer staking period, but you will definitely gain much higher returns, which is ideal for long-term investor looking for stability and higher profits. Okay, so based on whatever contract you choose, within 7 days, 15 days, or 30 days, you will get different percentage returns from 1% all the way to 1.2%. Okay. Oh, someone reminded me. Sorry, I haven't recorded. Hold on.
Recording in progress.
Okay, so let's take a look at the next example over here. Okay, I've did an example. If you were to do a 10,000 USDT worth of investment, meaning you contributed 10,000 worth of liquidity pool, and you stake your LP tokens. First of all, if you choose a 7 days contract, you'll be getting 1% per day, which is 100 U, okay? And your total of the entire contract will be 700 U. If you stake a 15 days, you'll get 1.1% instead at 110 per day. In total, for 15 days, you'll be making about 1,650 USDT, okay? So last but not least, on 30 days, 1.2%, you'll be getting 120 USDT per day and a total of 3,600 at the end of the whole entire contract, okay, in total. Okay, so first of all, you gotta understand that whatever returns you get every single day, it can be redrawn. Okay, you can redraw your profits every day. Whatever you want to do with your profits is entirely up to you. But definitely over here, I've told a lot of my friends to actually reinvest their earnings for the day to create something called compounding effect. So for example, if I'm earning 100 per day, if I were to contribute this 100 into the LP and pledge it, I will be earning extra another 1% on my 100 profit. Okay, so this does not include your capital calculation. And next, all staking rewards will be given in FUSD. So what is FUSD? It is a stable coin of the FTC blockchain, which is equivalent to USDT. So for all stable coin, is usually a 1-to-1 ratio to US dollars. Okay, so in our own blockchain, FTC blockchain, the stable coin is called FUSD. Hey, so what if What if you wanted something more and you want a higher returns? You are able to do, let's say, a 50K investment, as you can see on the slides itself. Okay, on the 7 days contract, you'll be getting 500 USDT per day, which were a total rewards of 3,500 on these 7 days. 15 days will fetch you 550 per day, total up to 8,250 you as a profit. And for 30 days itself, you will get 1.2%, which is $600 per day. Okay, and a total of 30 days, you'll be looking at 18,000 U for the investment of 50,000 USDT. Okay, so this is the staking rewards, giving you an example. The main point is very simple. Whatever amount you have, this will be contributed to the liquidity pool, and then you will actually pledge your LP tokens based on 7, 15, or 30 days from 1% to 1.2%. Your rewards will be received every single day where you can withdraw. Whatever you want to do with your profits, you can decide, okay, what to do with it. And if I were to suggest, I would suggest you to actually do a compounding effect by putting in your profits into the LP pool again to support the entire ecosystem while you earn your passive rewards. All right. So other than that, I believe we do not just want this amount. We do not just want 1% to even 1.2%. Definitely, we want more. So let's talk about, our referral rewards program. Okay. Imagine today if I were to introduce someone to actually earn together with Fintoch. Other than them, self-earning, I also can get some earnings and rewards from the company. So first of all, they give us something called direct referral rewards. For every one that you introduce, you'll be able to gain a 0.15% of the liquidity pool amount that your referrals actually contributed. Okay, so for example, you introduce A had a total LP value of 10,000 U. So what will you get? You will get 0.15% of that 10,000 LP contributed, which is 15 U per day. So this 15 U will be given to you in the form of FTC. Okay, so based on the price of FTC, you'll be getting a certain amount of tokens, which is equivalent to 15 USDT. Okay, so the current price of FTC sits about $51, okay, to about $52 at this point of time. So what is FTC? Now the stable coin is FUSD. So FTC is actually the native token of the FTC blockchain, which is used for gas fee for any transaction on our FTC blockchain. Okay, so this is totally different from FUSD. FUSD is the 1-to-1 ratio with USD, but for FTC itself, it's based on the market movement. Okay, so for FTC token, honestly, there is the potential of growth, where you can actually earn more than just the 15 U for that day. Okay, so next we come and talk about indirect referral. So if A likes what he's saying and what he's earning, he introduced to his friend, which is we. So what will you earn instead? Okay, so A will be getting the direct referral 0.15%. You, on the other hand, where you'll get indirect referral of 0.1%. So for the same amount, 10,000 USDT worth of LP, you'll be getting $10 per day worth of FTC. Okay, so this is the direct and indirect referral. So if B were to introduce her friend C, whatever C contributed to the LP pool has nothing to do with you anymore. But then, if you were to introduce enough people and you would like to be part of the community, at Global Success Enterprise, we actually teach you how to maximize your own investment, and at the same time, we will be able to train and coach you to teach you about different blockchain knowledges, even our FTC's directions, all right, and many more. Where if you are keen to be part of the community leader, what you will get next from FTC is a team management rewards, where you can gain additional 0.2 to 0.6% of the entire team's liquidity pool amount. So how, from a normal user, you can become a GM? First of all, as a GM, rather than the normal user, you can actually gain extra 0.2% of the LP pool amount. The criteria is as such. All you need to do is just introduce at least 5 active direct referrals or at least 5 active accounts. Okay, so what does active account means? Means that they must have a minimum 0.1 FTC value contribution to the LP. Or to use the quick pledge function, the minimum amount will be at 100 U. Okay, so minimum contribution to LP at 100 U, 5 of them. And then second criteria is that if your total team LP value is minimum 50,000 U, congratulations to you, you will become a GM and you will earn additional 0.2% of the entire team, which is additional 100 USDT per day without calculating your own investment. But of course, openly, let me tell you a secret right now. If you were to do the investment of 50K yourself, if I'm you, I will introduce 5% under me, which is the 5 accounts, and I will put another account below to put my investment of 50K, and from then on, I'm a GM. And as a GM, I'll be getting, if I choose a 30 days contract, I'll be getting $600 per day for my passive income. And at the same time, I'll be getting additional $100 on my own investment, plus a 0.15 direct and indirect 0.1. So total on as a GM, if your own investment is 50K and you make yourself a GM, you will be able to get about 825 USDT worth of profits every single day. Right? So after a GM, if you help your team members or your friends become a VP, a GM like you can have a potential to become a VP, which you can earn a 0.3% of the entire team. So the criteria is as such: 2 GM from 2 different lines, okay, and the total team LP minimum achieved is 150,000. You will become a VP. Okay, but this is unilevel style, so basically it's a deduction method. 0.3% from a VP, you have to deduct the 0.2% from the GM's team, because the GM will be earning 0.2% of his own team. You as a VP of that team, you'll be earning 0.3 minus 0.2, which is a balance of 0.1%. But the rest of your team, which is not a VP, you will be getting a full 0.3%. All right. So next up, we have a SVP, 0.4%. Criteria: 2 VP from 2 different lines. Total team's revenue will be at 500,000. All right, and then the ED at 0.5%. All right, and the 2 SVP from 2 different lines. Total team LP minimum to 2 million. As the ED onwards, ED, you are looking at a minimum earnings of about $2,000 to $5,000 per day. Okay, potentially. And last but not least, we have an MD, which is 0.6%. All right, 2 ED from 2 different lines, and the total team LP minimum achieved is 6 million USDT contribution to the LP pool. And your minimum profits you are looking at is about 6,000 to about 20,000 per day. Okay, so whichever level you are, you will be earning the minimum amount 0.1% times your total team's LP value. So do remember again, your referral rewards program your rewards will be given in the term of FTC. So whatever I've shared, the amount does not include the potential growth of FTC received. Okay. Next up, we will be talking about this special MD++ rewards. Technically, once you are the MD, you are like top of the hierarchy, top of the community ranking already. So what's next? Next up is to help your friends to become an MD like you, and you'll become a MD plus. So any MD with one direct MD, okay, you will be able to gain additional 0.01% of the MD team LP amount, okay? But then if you train two MD, you'll become what we call a MD plus plus. And this time around, instead of 0.01%, you'll be getting 0.02% of the both MD team directs that you have. Okay? And last but not least, if you hit 3 MD, you'll become an MD triple plus. And instead of 0.02, this time around you'll be earning 0.03% of all your MD team's LP amount. Okay? So, what if, while I'm actually achieving my team and building my team, and some of my teammates, they actually progress faster than me, what am I going to earn if you talk about minusing off their 0.2% minus 0.2 is equal to 0, am I right? So fret not. Over here, what we have next is something called the additional rewards for same ranking, same rank rewards. 20% of the same rank's team management rewards. What does it mean? So in any scenario of same ranking, the sponsorer will receive 20% equivalent of the referral's team management benefit. Okay? So imagine you are a GM with a GM. If A as a GM earns 100 USDT for the team benefits, you on the other hand will get 20 USDT. So 100 times 20% equals to 200 U. So same thing, if you are the SVP with an SVP, if the A is the SVP and he makes 500 for the team benefits, you will be earning 100 U. Okay? So this is actually our referral rewards. So now, how many percent of your returns you want to earn is entirely up to you. Either you can use your cash, use your money to roll more money for you, or you can use some of your money and some of your effort and roll income for yourself. So over here, this entire ecosystem is very, very healthy. Okay? Whatever benefits you want to get, the decision is in your own hands. So how do we get started over here? Just 5 steps to start earning with FTC staking. First of all, get a referral link from the friend who introduced FTC to you to download the application and create your own account. The best part about this platform, this technology, is that they have a mobile application where you can do all your swap, your trading, your staking, and your passive income earnings, everything can be done on this mobile app. All you need to do is just get the referral link from your friend. You will be able to do it. Next, you have to decide and prepare your USDT amount, be it whether you want to invest 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, 150,000 is entirely up to you. But if you want to benefit immediately from the team benefit rewards, at Global Success Enterprise, we will always tell you, choose either 50, 150, 500, 2 million or 6 million investment, or we will teach you how to actually use your effort to build a team and train them. By training you, we will be also helping you to train your team, okay, on how to build a referral network. Number 3, next, I will also encourage everybody to prepare some gas fee. Now, if you're using USDT BEP20, you need to prepare 2 gas fee, which is BNB and FTC main as gas fees. Alright. Now, if you're using USDT ERC20, which is Ethereum, you need to prepare Ethereum coin, at least a 0.02 Ethereum. Alright. Or if you are using TRC20, you need to prepare TRX. Minimum is about 20 TRX and FTC main. The only other token that you don't need to prepare a second gas fee token is FUSD. So if you're entering the staking using FUSD, all you need to do is prepare FTC main for your gas fee. That's all. So once you have prepared your gas fee, you have prepared your amount that you want to invest, you can use the app's quick pledge function to stake directly. Okay, so instead of going through the manual steps that you need to exchange half of your tokens, half of your amount to our both token, the FUSD and the FTC main, and then add the liquidity pool, then do the pledging. With this quick pledge function, you are able to just directly skip all the steps, allow the smart contracts to choose and do everything for you. Within about 3 to 5 minutes, you are already on your way to earning. And last but not least, of course, step 5. All right, once you do all the first step to the fourth step, you can start earning with FTC LP staking. All right. So for friends who already started earning for about 5 days ago, when the staking program just started, I believe everybody is making good income every single day. Some of you all may be drawing out the profits and and spend it or even save it up as your profits, earnings. And I believe some of us over here at Global Success Enterprise, we are encouraged to actually do a restaking of our profits to create a compounding effect so that we can earn even faster. So in a nutshell, with whatever I've mentioned above, but technically for you to earn with staking of LP, it will take you about 60 days to about 2.5 months to earn 100% profit. All right, it will take about 60 over days for you to earn 100% profit. But of course, everything can be faster because the more benefits you get, the faster you can earn 100% based on your own initial capital. 2 months, 100%. You decide how much you want to earn together with FTC LP staking. So here at Global Success Enterprise, we always do our best. We pledge ourselves to teach and help everyone in the community to achieve financial freedom together with FTC. So let's just take some time to meet our team over here. Global Success Enterprise, first of all, very importantly, is a community of Asia Pacific organization. Right? It aims to build a community globally and assist everyone to become successful together with FTC. So who are the founders of our Global Success Enterprise? Okay, all right. The founders is Mr. Ben Chia and Ms. Andy Young. These two teachers, they are the founders of Global Success Enterprise. They have been with the company Fintoch, all right, all the while when they first started, before our blockchain is entirely online. They are already a strong supporter of Fintoch. And right now, FTC, okay, is officially online, spreading like wildfire globally. Everybody will get to know and get to use FTC blockchain very, very, very soon. So right now, with this staking program at Global Success, we have a team to teach you and help you and assist you to gain your success together with us. Okay, pardon my PPT slides. Okay, so this is our trainer and community. Okay, all from Singapore. Okay, please remember, because I believe that a lot of people would try to imitate and tell you that they are from Global Success, but end up they are not from Global Success Enterprise. So do remember, these are our trainers and community, and more to come. Especially over here, we have Mr. Abbas. Mr. Abbas is actually a very strong, a very great leader, all the way from Pakistan. All right, his community is huge. He's constantly teaching and assisting the community from Pakistan. All right, and more of our community members will be shown up in our future sharing session. All right, especially from Pakistan and the other part of the world. Okay, so with this, I've come to the end of our presentation. Okay, thank you so much for your time spent with us. Join us on our social media, all right, the official Global Success Enterprise of social media platform for the latest news and the updates on the FTC. With Global Success Enterprise, we will never spread any rumors, give you any false hope. We will always analyze all updates launched by the platform launched by the blockchain, we always monitor, analyze, and give you the best strategies and best updates. If not, in global success, I will end off. When you see any opportunity in life, when you see any chances for you to make it big in life, any new thing that is so potential, all I can say is strike while the iron is hot. Thank you very much and have a good night. Do remember to look for your friends at the end of this meeting. Right now, I'll pass back to the host.
Hi everyone, I'm Casey here. I'm co-host from Global Success Enterprise. Let's give a warmly thank you to our head trainer from Global Success Enterprise, Coach Brian. So let's not wait and wait and wait. Everyone need to strike while the iron is hot. And FTC staking just came out 6 days ago, so don't miss the opportunity. All right. So next time when you want to invite your prospect or your business partner come to listen to this wonderful sharing opportunity, please make sure everyone is on time. Send them the link. Get it on time. Don't miss the opportunity. Thank you, everyone. Have a good night. See you soon.